Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting usable audio. Open Apple Music and make sure your subscription and iCloud music library are active so tracks sync across devices. Once done, pick songs that fit tone and note the BPM so edits align with cuts. This saves time later. Next, download tracks for offline use or export stems if available, because editors perform better with local files. Make sure you understand licensing for distribution. That prevents problems when you publish the final video. You now import the chosen track into your editor or DAW and place it on the timeline. Use markers or a beat grid to map structure. This lets you snap cuts to beats and maintain rhythm. Then trim intro/outro and add crossfades to avoid clicks. If necessary, time stretch small sections to match clip pacing while preserving pitch. Also create loopable segments for longer scenes. Make sure to keep an uncompressed backup so audio quality stays high throughout editing. You finish by mixing. Set your voice at about -6 to -10 dB and lower music around -18 to -12 dB, using automation or sidechain ducking so dialogue remains clear. Once levels are consistent, add final mastering, check phase and stereo balance, then export with the codec and sample rate required by your platform. If something goes wrong, confirm you used downloaded local files and reauthorize Apple Music on the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.